ones who kept you safe at night, the ones who taught you how to fight. Family is where love begins, and caring is where it keeps.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Esther. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Please like this video and share my video. It helps a lot. So Obi actually ordered this TV floater. Normally we wanted to get the TV stand, the normal standing one, but we were contemplating on which one are we going to actually buy, the type, the size, the color. Like we are going back and forth, and I was so selective to the extent that my husband had to just order this without telling me. So it came to me as a surprise. When I saw it, I was like, have you ordered it? When he ordered it, he did not tell me. When the thing even landed, he did not tell me. It was when he unboxed it, I saw it, I screamed. I said, this man, so you later bought this thing without telling me. Say, yes, I'm too selective. Anyways, he later fixed it. It took a while to fix it, and it was so beautiful. It has this LED light, but my kids mess up everywhere after Obi fixed it, or during the process he was fixing it. Those plastic things that normally come with brand new stuff, they were breaking it everywhere, and if breeze carried small, it went down under the chair. If breeze carries again, like it was just littered everywhere. So I had to like clean up the house. It was a lot of work. You guys ignore that mama you just heard. Diana is giving me tough time. She don't want me to edit this video, do voiceover, and post this video. Like these days, it's difficult for me to edit videos with voiceover because these kids, they are not giving me any space. Please
Diana,
ignore
why
that
are you
mama you
scarfing
are
it?
hearing. Diana, you slept on the bed. How did you land here? Diana sleeping here.
Why,
Mama, how did you land here?
Mama,
See, your pampers is full. Yeah, come, let's go. Good morning.
Mama, Papa is back.
No, Diana, say good morning, Mama. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
I said yes.
Diana is the last one, last one, last one, last one, last one. It's last one, Diana, is the last one. Oh God. Is this how we are going to grow this hair, Diana? Your hair is getting thick already. You are not happy. You that we are plating just one or two hair. Now, they not do small thing for your head again. Your hair is getting full. I the shakara. Hey, hot done. Say hot done. Hot done. Why is your body warm? Hot done. Show them your hair. Show them your hair. Show them the back of your hair.
What about me? I will wash my hair.
I'm going to lose it. Oh yeah, come and sit down. Carry your pink shirt.
Greatest act of love is caring for the ones who cared for you.
You guys, the weather is very hot. I am doing laundry indoor and I have a delivery. The person said I should come to the gates. I don't reach gates. I don't see him. I go inside. He said 1 minute. 1 minute don't pass. I don't see break. Like, I think it's not coming. I think so. Yes. Not doing well. Not doing well. Ciao. He's here. Ciao. Okay. Wait, so not be these people who carry my load who I not see that thing. SDA. Not them. Thank God I don't get issue with them this period. Grazie. Ciao. My kids are sleeping. I don't want this children to wake up. My husband will soon be back. I wanted to do the unboxing.
But I think I'll wait later so that I'll freely talk to you guys.
So this is the product I mistakenly ordered from Spain instead of ordering it from Italy, and I spent more money. I realized late that I spent more money than usual because I paid for a shipping fee, which I don't used to pay for a shipping fee if I buy within Italy. So I paid €5 for them to ship it from Spain to Italy. So I don't normally use lotion, so this is the oil I use on my skin. I've said it several times. It's very nice, although it's a bit pricey. So I'm going to be straightening Jasmine's hair with my hot comb for the first time because her hair is very thick. It's 4C hair, natural hair. I've not put relaxer and all. So let's see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoy
It's
it.
not painful.
Mm,
Just want to straighten your hair.
yeah. When you use this, that was for Mama.
I know it's for Mama, but I want to use it for your hair today.
For me, that was for me.
It's for Mama.
It's for Mama.
But Mama wants to use it for your hair. Talk too much. You see, it's not painful.
Yeah. Don't play biscuit away.
I am trying my possible best to be very gentle and careful. Omo, this girl no dey put her hair one place. She was scared.
If it touch your skin, it will be your fault because you are not staying the way I want you to stay.
The first set I stretched. It's looking good actually. I like it. So I decided to give our room a proper clean up, like deep cleaning. I wanted to vacuum it, remove the mattress cover, wash it, wash everything washable, the curtains, like just do a proper clean up. So yeah, I'm going to unzip the mattress. Yes, this mattress cover is like a protector, is really, really good. I recommend it. If it doesn't come with your mattress, do well to get one. This one came with a mattress, but some mattress like the one underneath does not have it, and I'm going to buy one for it because it's so good. It will not let your mattress look dirty. If anything enters the mattress, it's going to be on the protector, so you have to wash the protector, and yeah, the mattress will still be looking clean. So I brought down the curtains. I wanted Obi to do all this, but he was busy helping me with the kids. So I had to do that myself. So I had to wash them, and
The mattress I washed in the morning did not really clean, so I had to soak it now here like this, and you can see I bleached it also and it's coming off. I have a package and I am so excited for this package. The rider just called me and he's almost here. I can't wait for you guys to see what's inside and explain to you guys where this is coming from. Ciao. Grazie. Ciao.
so it's the next day, and everything I washed was already dried. This is why I love summer. Summer, if you wash anything, it's going to dry within minutes. Like it will not take too long. You see, winter, 3 days, you will not see sun. To be raining back to back. So this is the reason why I love summer. Anything you wash is going to dry. So I'm just trying to zip back the mattress cover, use the other protector I also use. Yes, apart from the mattress protector, I also use this cover that covers both the top mattress and the one underneath. Yes, it's that big. So I'm using my pillow protector. Yes, I also use pillow protector for my pillows. And after which, I'm just going to press it and use the normal pillow cover that I'm going to use for my bed. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Hey, the stress of making this video, you guys will not even believe it. This video was up to 1 hour, but I'm going to trim it down to maybe 10 to 12 minutes. So just going to add my throw pillows, and now it's time to hang the curtains. So doing all this video with kids, like my own, that Diana is following me everywhere. If not that their dad was home to help me hold them, you will see me and them running up and down inside this room. So the air freshener I showed you guys in one of my vlogs. So I'm just going to drop few drops on the floor. It smells really, really amazing. And me dropping those ones on the floor, it means it's going to smell longer. Like it's going to last longer. And all my air fresheners are always soft. You can see me being generous with this particular one. Yes, it's very soft. It's not harsh. And this is the after. I hope you guys are loving this video. Please don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like it. And don't forget to share. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I am very hardworking. So let's unbox this product I received from a Korean brand. You guys remember when I went to receive a package and I said I was going to explain to you guys where this is coming from? Yeah, I did a collaboration with this brand and I've already posted it on my Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube shorts. So all the details are there. So this is sort of like the behind the scene when I was shooting and unboxing the product. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching.